Now, the loan has two parts in this calculator. You have to go here first on the right side and tell me what type of loan you're getting. So what is the loan to value of the loan? And you have to be careful with SRV. I don't know what SRV should be. I mean, should be from purchase price. I mean, that's awkward. Let me see what they do here.
Well, if they're doing, if they're including the any rehab, then would they do it on the RV?
RV sums of C11 to F7. What?
They just mislabeled it.
What is HMO?
Hard money lender.
Yes.
Oh, hard money.
But C11, okay, yeah, it's from the purchase. That's right. I mean, this is wrong here. It's okay. I don't think he's adding this. I don't know. Let's leave it like that for now. I think it's wrong. I would change that to purchase. I don't think they're calculating that for the rehab. Price, I think, price. Or cost. Or purchase, I don't know. Cost.
PP.
Too long.
Purchase price.
It's too long.
PP. Just put P.
Purchase. I'm already outside the box. Okay. Purchase price. So, we're buying as an investment? What is the minimum down payment?
3%.
How much you say, Moses?
3%.
Down payment? Investment? Agreement? That's
Yeah, it's usually around 20.
when you buy your primary house. There's no investment at 3%. They start at 20.
20%.
That's only on hard money. The SCRs, they can go easily to 25%.
Yeah, hardwood is at least 20% minimum.
Okay, I'm going to talk to my mortgage broker, but like they gave me a tip today. I will repeat it to you guys. Today is easier to buy as a foreign national. You can get 605 on a house with a 30% down. 5-year fix. I mean, we buy hard money, we pay 11%. And do you know for national loans, what is the best thing about them? No.
About hard money loans?
No, for foreign national loans.
Yeah. What's the best
All
thing
the
about
paperwork I need a letter from your accountant in India. You have a friendly accountant that can send a letter that says that you have $100,000 in the bank, and then you make 150 a year. That's all you need. That's why the down payment is so big. They're asking you for a 30% down payment, but it's foreign national. You and I, we look for a national. We have an accent of foreign national, but we're not foreign national. If you have an ID here, you have residence here, you're not. You need to find a casting to buy one. Anyway, don't get lost. So we're going to put 80% here. Moses, how many points usually the lenders charge?
Lenders?
Yeah. If you don't know, you don't need to know, okay? You say, I don't know.
5%.
No. Moses, you're going to give you a red card today. How many points, Mr. Ananan?
Is it 3?
Yeah, 2.5 is average. 2.5. We deal with people we know, so it's 2.5. I said so. Today, what is the interest rate on hard money?
And a point is basically 1% is
Yes,
well,
1%.
1 point is 1% of the purchase price. Is that right?
No, of the loan amount.
Oh, of the loan amount. Okay. And so the loan amount is just 80% of the purchase, so it's 1% of that 80.
Yes.
Okay.
Today's interest rate for this year is, you don't need to know that, but it's 7.05. Oh. 7.05. Now you go back to the left and you keep going. So now, loan amount. What percentage is that?
80?
8%.
Yes. But you know, let Moses learn. Don't be
If
fast.
it was 407 for the purchase price and they gave you 225, that's like 80%.
The points, interest, that's the payment. I don't know why they put a hold. Sorry, guys, it's not. It's just so. I mean, that's, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, payment.
That's the monthly?
Yeah. $11 for 80% divided 12 by percentage. F9, yeah. Okay. So that's the monthly payment. If you write it right, it will be better. Payment. And besides the points, always there is also fees. Right? Dogs, registered dogs, appraisal, average, I would say 2,000, no 15, 2,000 at least.
Why does that have to be so high just for dogs?
As the government, the fees is like.
Oh, it's the filing fees.
Filing fees, they charge per the mortgage, for the title, for this, you pay to the government. They call it docs fees. Yes, there is going to be a $900 processing fee and a $500 administration fee. That's the money they steal from you that they make, which is good. Down to invest. What is that, Moses?
Down payment?
Yeah. I don't know what to call it, down to invest. I hope it is down payment. I don't think it's down payment, was a bit funny.
103 is a down payment?
C5, C15 minus C17.
I think they call it down invest because that's where the investors put the money.
Yeah, because it's more. It's like it's adding all the closing costs that you need. It's not the 20%. It's not down payment. It's the down invest for the whole thing, which is correct. It's adding all the cost of the cost of the points, and it's adding all the costs to get that property.
So is that
Okay.
20% of 341?
I don't even know what is 341 doing there.
Loan amount plus all points?
Loan amount plus all this is 341. No, I don't think this is this, and this is percentage is another thing. So this the total money you're going to be owing, which is the loan plus all the fees. Down to invest, no, is the down payment plus all the fees. HML is home loan total fees. There are the fees. What the hell is one of the? I like to know. Is purchase price minus C15, which is total purchase cost. So yes, is this? I don't like it. That is confusing this. And if I'm confused, you better be confused. Other people money.
Other people's money.
We need to clarify this for ourselves, guys. This is very confusing. Down to invest. We're saying down to invest is closing cost, acquisition fee, which is C15, minus, yes, the loan, which is correct. So you're saying anything I'm adding to the cost minus the loan, that's my initial investment. I would go cash in. I mean, if you put the word down, for me, it's down payment. Always take me to down payment. Cash to invest. That has nothing to do with down payment. It is a down payment plus all the rest. Good. Are we okay with that? Or did I lose you guys? Then it says, oh, that, and that's what I was telling you, that then you have the you have the loan fees on top of the closing cost fees. That gives you the total amount you need to invest. I don't know what they call OPM. Are those people money for the loan? Again, this is confusing. This is not other people money. Guys, I don't know why we didn't fix this calculator before. It has all these words that they don't.
Yeah.
How did they calculate those fees though?
No, these fees is the loan fees, the 2% we said, plus administration fee,
2% of the 80%.
plus administration fee. Which is very high.
Yeah.
Because 2%, did we put 2 points? No, we didn't put even points in here, interest rate, 2.5 points. Okay, yeah. 2.5 point of this is about 9,000. 3% of 300 is 9,000. How the heck he get to 15,000? Because this and this, no. Anand, you and your new calculator, we're totally confusing Moses.
Yeah, I don't know.
C18, which is the loan points, the payment, and the fees, there's no, you don't have the payment to the cost. You don't have to pay this till next month. I'm going to kill this guy. I mean, this is not my calculator. I thought it was a very good one. It's going to keep driving me crazy. cash to invest is equal down payment. We don't have it anywhere, no? Purchase price minus down payment or minus the loan amount. Okay, that's down payment. Plus closing cost plus acquisition fee plus HTML points, and that's it. It's 1111.